Hello students, today we are going to solve a very interesting numerical. As you can see in the diagram, I have a mass that has been placed on an inclined plane whose value is 2 kg, which is attached to two strings. On one end of the string I have another mass of 2 kg, and on the other end it is attached to another string which is attached to another body of mass A, whose value we have to calculate. Now as you can see that there are two different strings, so I consider the tension in this string to be T and the other string over here, its tension to be T dash. Now you may be wondering why that I have two strings and two tensions. So you have to remember one thing: whenever the string changes, T changes. So T changes with the string. So number one, this tension T is balanced by weight mg. But as we know, the value of m in this case is 2 kg. So the value of T would be 2g. Now when we consider this one, the 2 kg mass over here was balanced by this tension. So similarly, this mass A should be balanced by T dash. So I get T dash is equals to now mg. Now I consider the mass to be A. So T dash is Ag in this case. Now very interesting. Over here, the second mass, that is of 2 kg. This was the first mass. Now this is my second mass of 2 kg. The weight acts vertically downwards. So this mg gets resolved into two components. Mg cos theta and the other component mg sin theta. So if this was T, this string had T over here as well. So if this tension is T dash, so I have T dash along the string here as well. So my this mg sin theta is balanced by T dash the way this mg was balanced by this T, and this T dash was balanced by the other mg, that was Ag. So I get T dash is equals to T plus mg sin theta. But we know that T dash's value is Ag and this T's value is 2g plus mg sin theta. Theta is nothing but 30 degree in this case. Ag is 2g plus mg sin theta. We know mg sin theta is a component over here, so the value of m in this case is 2. So again 2g sin theta. We know the value of sin theta is half. So Ag is 2g plus half of 2g. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So Ag is 2g plus g. So I get Ag is equals to 3g. As you can see, Gg goes away. So the value of A is how much? 3. So the value of unknown mass was found to be 3 kg in this case. So see you all in the next lecture with another interesting numerical. Have a nice day. Bye bye.